Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So in today's video guys, we will be doing an eyelash tutorial, a very detailed one this time, and you will see each and every step that I do or take in installing my false lashes. So without wasting any more time guys, let's get straight into this video. Okay loves, you're going to need lashes, of course, the lashes and a lash glue. So I'm using a Kiss lash glue, and what I know about a Kiss lash glue guys is that it's very good, especially for beginners, because it is a clear glue, and then when you use it, or if you want to know whether it has dried or not, it will turn like a little bit transparent. So for me it's very good, even though some of the people say that it dries out very fast, but I think as a beginner, for me it's a very good glue to use. Another thing that we're going to need is scissors. With scissors you have to measure your lashes with the size of your eyes, then you cut the remaining part, right? So, and then as a beginner you'll also need a mascara. So you just need any mascara that you are having, because you find that as a beginner you leave a gap. Some of the beginners will leave gaps in between our lashes and our false lashes. So in that way the mascara is going to rescue you, girl. So you will see. So let's get straight into that. Okay, first of all you'll have to put some glue on your lashes. And then you'll wait for it to dry. Okay, you can wait for at least 2 minutes. As you can see that mine, I just hope it is showing, it's fading there and there. You see, it's turning transparent there and there. All right, so you hold them like this. You just hold them in the middle like that. As you can see, it's turning transparent there. Then you know that it is starting to dry. Then you make sure that with your mirror you put it at least where you can be able to see your lashes, at the bottom part, right? Okay, so you will put them in the middle. And leave them like that. Then I normally start with the first part, which is the outer part, and then I place it like so. Then I work with the outer part. I place it like that. As you can see, you see there and there it has glued. So I will go back in this part and put it at least next to my lashes. And then I think it was starting to dry. I waited way too long, so but it's fine. It's getting there. Yeah, see, like that. I hope you guys can see. Right, so what I normally do, I push them like that while pressing them like that, right? Then I press them together. I look at the other side and I press them together with my lashes. I press them together like so. Then there you have it, you see. So with the mascara, I take this part of the mascara and then I will do like this. Like so. You see guys, you hardly see any gaps between my lashes and my false lashes because of the mascara, right? Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. All right, loves, that is my way and easiest way of applying my lashes. I just hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. And yeah guys, as we can see, my lashes are put on even though I did not put any makeup. So guys, okay, thank you very much for watching my video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below guys. And thank you so much for the support, for each and every person who is supporting me on my channel, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video guys. Thank you very much. Goodbye.